What is it? It was modded! You wanna know what they used to... Down. Alright, and they are not so scenic.
Oh. That is what the fluff?
You wanna know what these used to be?
What?
They used to be Schindler HT.
Oh. Then I don't care.
And they are...
Okay, that is cool.
Oh, wow.
They have a pull button too.
Oh, that's a big fat button.
Fine.
Mercury?
Mercury.
I never heard of them.
Oh, there's an indicator here.
This might be Nouveau. This could very well be a Nouveau. And they are not very scenic, are they?
Were these scenic?
Yes.
Oh. Now I'm mad. Yeah, let's see if I can get both in the frame.
I'll press the button so. Oh, door closing, push button.
Nice.
Motor. The fact that this is modded gives me an aneurysm. We're gonna get the other one now. Is it? Wait, is it off? Where is it? Do you know where it is?
Down there.
They covered up the glass. How lovely. Alright, I guess we'll go down, I guess. Maybe it's on L1. You want to try L1? I'll watch this indicator. I want to say this is a Nouveau.
Something was there.
They are not very scenic.
No, but they're at least somewhat interesting.
It's got a monitor TR, of course.
Everything around here has nothing but TR.
Well, I mean, what do you expect? It's New York. Well, look at this square lights.
This square.
And as you can tell, this is underground parking, and it's a...
Here. Oh, it's over level.
Is it? Wait, hold on. Oh, it looks like it was just done. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, this looks like it was literally just finished.
Okay, well, we're burning through.
I kind of want to see. Nah, I won't.
Down here. Oh, it just left. Something's happening over there.
I don't know, but that's strange. I can't see Schindler HTs being modded. That's gonna make Indigo's day. I'll tell you the. Why did the button just go out? Oh, it's here.
Oh, it's open.
Yeah, I know. I noticed it. It looks like it just parks. Wait, hold on. It might. Hold on. Don't press any buttons.
You press the button.
That button, but not. Watch. Let's see what happens.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Give it a second. I think I know it parks. It just did. Yeah, here we go.
No? Oh, there we go.
Yeah, it parks. Okay, you want to hear my good news?
What?
I'm going to Vegas
Why?
Saturday.
Why?
Find elevators.
I was in Vegas.
Wait, did you feel that?
Yeah.
And then click door open.
Oh, fudge.
It won't let us out.
Got scared for a second.
I guess it just parks, but it doesn't let you out.
Whoa.
That'd be weird if it was long enough, because this was just done. Maybe this is a Mercury elevator, because it says Mercury on it? Alright, we'll just finish up our extravaganza on G. It's funny how they call it U. Yeah, there's your inspection. That's strange. I don't know what kind this. It might just be a Mercury elevator. Planet Mercury. Hey, press the button. I want to see this. Do that. Down. That is cool. Oh yeah, I see. This is probably just done. Wait, I wonder if...
No, I need to exit that.
Alright.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I see there were two buttons. There were two buttons. I remember these elevators. Alright, well, that was interesting. Alright, anyways, that's it.